Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So many good morning are there. Huh? Nagraju, Jayant, Janki, Harika, Kartika, Surya Kalavati, Dragon, Dinesh, Hima, Gulshan, Nabeshri, Atmika, Pranati, Sinchan. Sinchan, good morning. मेरे को तो Russell. Mahesh, Havish, Yuvraj, Srija, Ajay. So good morning everyone. So I think this is the last lecture for this week and maybe the last lecture for organic also. From next class they might start inorganic part, that is your periodic. So 1 week of organic was there. Pujita, Kamla, Maninder. So what we have to study? We have studied everything. They have told you something about the test. Hello everyone. Have you seen the video? That video you have seen? Outgoing congratulations video. What is the syllabus for the test? What we have studied in this week? That is the syllabus. No. You can go on. I think last night there was live session, na? So you can watch it on the YouTube channel only. So see it once. That will happen with you also after 2 years. What? Chalo. So let's start. Otherwise at 10 a.m. you will be shouting, say time over. You don't see when we are starting. We have done 5 minutes time pass. We have discussed. We have talked. We have laughed. And then we are starting. Amulya, Sophia. Rara Reddy, Lucky. Done. Let's start. So what to start? In the last class, so we have seen that hybridization part also. Batao. So what major topics we have studied? We have studied about degree. We have studied about functional group. At least we know the functional group. Amine, imine, amide, imide, carboxylic, sulfonic, ester. Okay? And what batao? Sigma pi bond counting. Sigma pi bond counting we have done. Okay, sigma pi bond counting we have done. And what we have studied, batao thoda? A bond line, structure we have studied. Expanded structure, you have to show all bond. Expanded structure, we have to show all bonds. In condensed and bond line, bonds decreases. In bond line, we show functional groups and other things we don't show. Na? Reshma, Yuvraj, Gokul, Kamakshi. Formula of alkane, alkene, alkyne. Yes, there will be question based on this. Which of the formula is alkane formula? Which of the formula is alkyne formula? So based on that. Sir, can you please explain again the functional? Functional group, we have not explained anything. We have just written the functional groups. These are 10, 12, 15 functional group. At least you should know the names now. Okay, at least you should know the names and their formula. We have said this much only. You should know the names and formula. And we have also said it will be difficult for you to learn all the functional group in 1 day, 2 days. All the functional group I will remember. No. You have to see it gradually, daily, thoda, dekho. Automatically you will learn it. So we have written the functional group. Set is there. Priority order and all nomenclature we will see later on. You have to just know the functional group like carboxylic acid is there, it is COOH. And how is the connectivity? Who is connected to whom? That also you have to know. Who is connected to whom? That also you have to know. Sir. Okay. Sir, who will come for us next week? Next week we will see. श्रीनाथ. चलो, so चलो शुरू करते हैं. चलो. So first page we will leave. We'll start from second. So mainly we are going to do today some practice problems, ठीक है ना? So which will help you in your test, and we can start one new topic also. So we will see what new topic. Although I told you in the last class that today I will tell you some compounds. Now common names are there. You have heard about aniline, toluene, xylene, catechol, resorcinol, quinol, water, all these things. Okay? So some new different compounds we will see. Benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, these type of compounds we will see. Okay? So but before that we will practice some questions. Let's see you remember these things or not. You are able to use your brains or not. Like suppose if I give you a compound like this, batao to, can you do it? If I give you a compound like this, CN whole 4, batao, you have to count sigma and pi bond. Jaldi today practice problems, some understanding. So much you have talk among yourself. Number exchange done. Hometown asked, gully number, all these things you have asked, street number, road number, postal address. Now you can send letters also. So people are saying 8 sigma 8 pi. Only one answer is 8 sigma 8 pi. Rest are 4 sigma. Few answers are 8 sigma 8 pi. Okay? Raghuram, Neha, Hanshika, bhai idhar aa jao. So methane was there. You will have to think like this, ki sir, this formula to looking like methane. Only in place of H you have put cyanide. To theek hai bhai, you write it like methane, na? You write it like methane. Acha, cyanide, sir, I will expand it a bit. Otherwise, how I will know ki how many bonds are there? I will do mistake. I don't want to do mistake. So I will expand it. So now it gives a clear view at least. So means every cyanide is having 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So 4 sigma here and 4 sigma here. So 8 sigma and 8 pi. 8 sigma, 8 pi. Clear? This question only we can modify like this also. Dekho bhai, same question we can modify like this. Dekho. So can you guess this will look like what? This will look like what? You can say, sir, this is looking like ethene. So ethene also I will do the same way. Ethene other name you remember? Ethene other name, ethene other name, ethene other name. So this is your homework. Ethene other name you remember? Ethylene, yes. And ethyne other name, ethyne other name, ethyne other name, ethyne other name. So in this na, so sigma pi to you are knowing. Chalo, sigma pi you are knowing. You have to tell me hybridization of all the carbon. In this, you have to tell me hybridization of all the carbon. So question changed. Now this question is for hybridization. So whatever topics we have studied, we are practicing one question from everywhere so that we don't forget. Batao. So let's talk about this carbon first. Bolo, yellow carbon. Yellow. Sir, you will prepare question paper. Yes, I will prepare question paper. sp2, correct, sp2. You will say, sir, 3 sigma. See now, 1 sigma here, 1 sigma here, 1 sigma here, sp2. Sir, same thing here also. Okay, very good. Then tell me, bhai, about this carbon. ये carbon बताओ. Cyanide carbon, what is the hybridization? Cyanide carbon, you are saying 4sp2sp2. Swaroop. I think your answer is correct. Cyanide, now everyone knowing this cyanide formula to like this, sigma sigma 2 sigma 2 sigma means sp. So all cyanide carbon are sp. And what about nitrogen? If I ask about nitrogen, then bolo, if I ask you about nitrogen, then what? Nitrogen also sp. How you are telling sp? You will say, sir, lone pair there, na? Lone pair. I have told you what is lone pair. Non-bonded electron pair. What is lone pair? Non-bonded electron pair. So this is also sp. So is this clear? So hybridization also one question we have done. Okay. Okay, chalo, fine. So now we will do one question based on molecular formula. Bhai, tell me molecular formula of this. इसका molecular formula बताओ. Third question. Tell me molecular formula. Meow meow. Hello. Molecular formula बताओ भाई. How many carbon, how many hydrogen? Molecular formula means what? You are writing names. You are trying to write name. Molecular formula means what? How many carbon, how many hydrogen? तो बोलो. How many carbon? How many carbon? 7. Many people saying, sir, C7H10. H10, H10. Chalo, let's try. So 1. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So you know if a straight line is there and small bonds written there. ठीक है ना? अच्छा, I have told you sp hybridization is linear. You know, sp hybridization is linear. That's why this angle we are writing 180. We are not making turn here. So generally it is written like this. So 7, correct, C7. And how many H? How many H? H10. Everyone saying 10. So can I write 10? बताओ. So everyone writing 10. So I am also writing 10. You verify. हो गया? So formula question also done. 1. Formula question also done. अब बताओ which one we have to do next? Hybridization done. Sigma pi calculation done. Bond line molecular formula also done. Alkane, alkene, alkyne formula ना. चलो ठीक है. So if I am writing this C20H38, बताओ whose formula is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Whose formula is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. बोलो. Whose formula is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Everyone saying alkyne, alkyne, alkyne. Okay. Then tell me, is this a saturated hydrocarbon or unsaturated hydrocarbon? बताओ. You can say this is I cosine. ऐसे बोल सकता क्या? Unsaturated. Clear na? Done. Okay. So now you have to identify functional group. So last question we are doing for practice. After this we'll write a general formula of some compounds. ठीक है? How H is 10? You will have to count it. Sinchan, you are attending first class? Before this name though did not come. देखो, we have said ना कि hydrogen they will not show in bond line, so you will have to think on your own. Carbon 4 bonds, one already there, so 3 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here, here 0 0, here 2, here 1, here 2. बताओ 10 हो गया क्या? Okay. Hybridization mainly we study in chemical bonding chapter only. There we study this much, not visible. There we study this much. In organic chemistry we use this much. ठीक है ना? So this is the concept of hybridization. Main topic of chemical bonding. There we study this much. And in chemical bonding we use only this much. ठीक है? हो गया? अब आ जाओ hybridization. So you have to identify the functional groups present. You have to identify the functional group present. You have to identify the functional groups present. You have to identify the functional groups present. बताओ, which functional group are present in this? चलो, identify the functional group. नाम बता दो. Which functional groups are present in this? So people are saying ketone. ठीक है भाई, ketone. And what you are saying? Sir, aldehyde also there. चलो, I am writing aldehyde for you. और बोलो. Alcohol also people are saying. Ether also people are saying. चलो, ether I am writing. और कुछ है तो बताओ. Cyanide is also there. Meghna, where is cyanide? Pranati is saying acidamide. देखो भाई, और कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? ये मेरा आंसर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Ester people are saying. ठीक है भाई, चलो, what you are saying I am writing. We will check later on answer is correct or not. Done. So now let's check. See, ketone is present or not? Yes, ketone is present. This is ketone, AA. This is ketone. Don't think this as ester. What is the formula of ester? COOR. COOR. Arey, O not connected here na. O is far. COOR. No ester. Ester nahi bhai. Ester wrong. Then this is ROR. ROR means ether. So let's write this one as C. So this is C, ether. Where is aldehyde bhai? Aldehyde is here, CHO. Aldehyde, CHO. Where is acidamide? Acidamide dikha? There is no amine. There is acidamide. CONH2. See, together it is written na, CONH. So this is 3-degree amide. This is what? 3-degree amide. Here carbon connected na, carbon connected. ठीक है? So this is amide. So main point is this only. People do mistake in amide. CONH together, amide. Clear? आ जाओ, one more question based on this only we will do. बताओ. So how many functional group are present in this compound? जल्दी जल्दी. How many? You tell me first this कि how many functional group present in this compound? How many functional group present in this compound? बोलो. How many? You count and then you tell. Okay, then you have to tell the name also. अब जल्दी जल्दी नाम बताओ. Peru and tea. This one. Name. So this is nitro. Okay. Next one. This one ester. This one sulfonic. This one cyanide. Acha, cyanide everyone knowing na? CN cyanide. Can you tell me the other name for cyanide? बताओ. Cyanide का some other name. ठीक है. साइनाइड अदर नेम. नाइट्राइड नहीं तेजू, नाइट्राइड नहीं, नाइट्राइल. नाइट्राइल. ओके. एंड दिस वन, व्हाट इज दिस फंक्शनल ग्रुप? What is this functional group? Ether? No. This only we have to be careful. See, if you will think ether, you will think like this, ki sir, this. Then you tell where are the 4 bonds of this carbon? Where are the 4 bonds of this carbon? बताओ इसका 4 bonds कहां है? So you will have to think these things. That's why I have given. You will have to think कि carbon should have 4 bonds. बताओ where are the 4 bonds? If you will think COCS3, then where are 4 bonds? So wrong. You will have to think like C double bond O. So this is ketone. Then only you will get the functional group. So now you can see where you will do mistakes. देख लिया भाई. Now you can see where you will do mistake. Okay. So see, in this 1 week, at least those who have attended the classes seriously, they have studied these many things, these many concepts. ठीक है ना? So you have not wasted the time. In 1 week you have studied so many things. ठीक है ना? So one clap for you also. And we can press the like button also. Yes sir, we have studied in 1 week so many topics. So hit the like button. Now we will study the compound. Like. चलो आ जाओ. So next we have to study the compounds. What compounds we have to study? बताओ. Some common names. Some common names. So this is totally based on learning. This is totally based on learning. Like, share, subscribe. You can ask these things to your friends also, no? Do you know hybridization? He or she will say, "Arey, now to not started only. Now to 10th we are enjoying." Then you ask, "Arey, do you know what is sigma bond? What is pi bond?" Then finally you ask, Arey, do you know functional groups are there? Then they will say, no, no, no. From where you have learned all these things? Start early, take a lead. Aja. So we will write. Arey, see, I think you are asking this question. See, if I write like this, na, CN, you don't read from here, NC, sir, NC. Which one is connected? You have to see like this. Ki if carbon is connected, that it is cyanide. I can also write this one like this. When you write like this, means N is connected, isocyanide. Generally we connect from this side, so when you connect like this, it is very clear ki sir, cyanide, CN, looking also CN, carbon connected also. And if I write like this, then it is isocyanide, nitrogen connected. But suppose the chain is this side, then how I will write? I will write like this only. Now don't read NC. Main part is connection, which atom is connected. You have to focus which atom is connected. If C is connected, cyanide. If N is connected, isocyanide. Is it okay? C connected, cyanide. C connected, cyanide. C connected, cyanide. N connected, isocyanide. Clear? N connected, isocyanide. Okay? Chalo, sir. Now let's see. So everyone knows benzene, na? Benzene everyone is knowing. Asha, if you know the common name of this compound, na, you can write in the comment section. If you know common name, then write in the comment section. If you don't know, then learn now. Totally based on learning. This will come in different chapters. At that time, people ask, sir, I don't know the formula. And now only you can learn the formula. So tum batao. Acha, you know benzene is this, na? What is this? This is benzene. C6H6. Benzene is also written like this. Both are same. You will study resonance hybrid. So if I make a circle like this, na, means there is alternate pi bonds. Circle I am making like this means there is alternate pi bond. Both are same. This is in fact more correct. Okay, na? So now instead of writing these pi bonds, who will write 3 times? Lazy. Na? I will put one circle. Okay, na? Because benzene very important. We will have to write it so many times. Okay, na? So I will just put a circle. Cyclohexane is this. Dekho bhai, this is cyclohexane. If you put circle in benzene, it becomes benzene. If you put circle in middle, it becomes benzene. This is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane, that is benzene. Put a circle in middle, it becomes benzene. Clear? Chalo. So let's start. Batao, do you know name of this compound? Bolo. Do you know name of this compound? So this is toluene. Do you know this compound? But our next one. Let's see how many you are knowing. You can also say methyl benzene, no problem. But now we are studying common names. Polene. Anisole. We will call it what? Anisole. Phenol, so we are already knowing. This is. Achha, which functional group is present here? Can you tell? In anisole, which functional group is present? Can you tell in anisole which functional group is present? In anisole, which functional group is present? Ether, yes. ROR, or this we call aryl group. AROR, aryl. You don't know these things now, but chodo hatao. You just remember कि भाई this is ether. ठीक है? O in middle. Okay. Then do you know this compound? CHO. aldehyde group connected. बताओ. Aldehyde group connected. हाँ, methoxy also correct. हाथ में कब? Methoxy also correct, but that is IUPAC. So aldehyde functional group. What is the common name? Common name. So this is known as. No one is able to tell. Benzaldehyde. What is this known as? Benzaldehyde. Okay, आ जाओ. Next one. So see, I think these names you are not knowing, na? Chalo, if I write like this, then what will be the name? Can you tell? COH. I'm giving you small things only. Like just I'm putting the functional group there. Sometimes I've kept ether, CHO, COOH. Bolo, do you know this one? This is known as benzoic acid. Few we will write, then we will go to the next topic. Few compounds we will write, because if I will write so many, I can write here 50, 100. But 50, 100, then it will be difficult for you to remember. 50, 100, then it will be difficult for you to remember. Benzoic acid. So I will write few only, which are very common. बताओ. अच्छा, 1 CS3 you have connected ना? 1 CS3 you have connected. If I put 2 CS3, then what you will call it? If I put 2 CS3, then what you will call? Do you know? Xylene. Yes, this is xylene. Now in xylene only, there can be 3 variety: orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene. What is this ortho, meta, para, sir? Same formula, but 3 variety: orthoxylene, metaxylene, paraxylene. So we will talk about that. Xylene. This is what? Xylene. And the last one. Batao, anyone, can you tell? See, this will be told by least number of people. Batao, what is this? I will tell you about ortho, meta, para also. Don't worry. I will tell you about ortho, meta, para also, so that you can understand something. Bonzol. बताओ क्या बोलेगा इसको? Acetophenone, no. Methylphenol, you can say in one way. ठीक है? So we will call it cresol. 1 OH, 1 CS3. It is cresol. 1 OH, 1 CS3. This is known as cresol. Phenol to simple, na? Phenol to everyone knowing, so I am not telling. Last class only I have told you, if OH is there, alcoholic group connected, so it is phenol. Now it is not alcohol. We have said OH directly connected to benzene, phenol. OH directly connected to benzene, phenol. Clear? There are so many. I can write acetophenone, benzophenone, propiophenone, but big I am not writing. I am writing a small one. Okay? Chalo. Next, I will tell you what is ortho, meta, para. We call some positions like ortho, meta, para. What is this? See, this is benzene. Ortho, meta, para. So this is benzene. Now benzene, you know, every carbon having one hydrogen, and every carbon is sp2 hybridized. These things we are knowing already. These things we are knowing already. Clear? Now see, all the positions are same. All the positions are same. Means what? You can put OH here, phenol. You can put OH at this point, phenol. All the positions are same. You put OH here, phenol. Because it is symmetrical. Because it is symmetrical. All the positions are same. You can put anywhere. Many people get confused during the main track when they come here. I write OH here and I write CS3 here. ठीक है ना? Next time I write OH here and CS3 here. People are confused. कि अरे sir, two different compound. Two different compound, but they are same. ठीक है ना? So this only we have to teach you now. Means what? कि if you have benzene, all the positions are same. You can connect anywhere. It is symmetrical. All the positions are same. Okay? Okay. Now when I attach a group here, suppose I have connected any group G. Now if I connect initially benzene, all the positions are same. All the carbon are same. But suppose if I connect here one group G, now all are not same. Now all are not same. If you will see this position, if you will talk about this position, you can say with respect to G, this is Pakkana, adjacent. With respect to G, it is adjacent. If I talk about this position, you will say both not same. This is adjacent to G, but this is what? Adjacent. Correct na? Bagal. If I talk about this position, you will say again sir, it is different. You are going far from G. Yes or no? Now can you tell, are these three positions same or different? Jaldi bolo. 1, 2, 3, these positions are same or different? 1, 2, 3, these positions are same or different? Now these are different. It is like this, this is one child, Gokul. Best friend, second best friend, but not the bestest one, a bit far, bestest. What is this word? This is the third circle. You can sing Gokul, childhood friend, best. This friend he made when he was in class 10th. This is the third friend which he made just now in these gift classes. So all friends are not same. Understood the point? So this is just adjacent. This is adjacent. This is adjacent. Now we cannot use this word, na sir. What you are saying adjacent. There is adjacent. But what is this adjacent? That's why we have given the name. If anyone is adjacent to any group, it is known as ortho. If it is next nearest, meta. If it is next nearest, para. Any name na, I have written there G, so I used your name. Next time we can use Venkat. Next time we can use Dragon. Next time we can use Hatmika, Usha, Kartika, Sheikh. Aja bhai, aja. So understood the point? What I am trying to say? Amulya. So adjacent known as ortho. Next one meta, next one para. Then you can say like this also, sir, this one to also adjacent to G. ठीक है ना, this one is adjacent to G. That means see, both are looking same with respect to G, with respect to G, with respect to G, both are same. So this is also ortho. These two things are same, so this is meta. That means you can say that there are two ortho positions, two meta position, and one para position. Para position just opposite, you can say. Para position just opposite. Numbering, anything you give now. Numbering, though, I have just written for time pass. I'm not teaching you numbering now. I'm just teaching you like see live example. I am standing here. If someone comes beside me, that person is ortho with respect to me. Ortho. Because that person is beside. Next, that is my meta. Next, that is my para. Understood the point? So these are relative names. These are relative names. So now you can tell, batao, this is orthoxylene or metaxylene or paraxylene. This compound is orthoxylene, metaxylene or paraxylene. Bolo. Bolo. So this is ortho. We will not write big O-R-T-H-O. Full shortcut. O. O-xylene. O-xylene means what? Orthoxylene. O-xylene means what? Orthoxylene. Batao. Acha, you tell me, can I write orthoxylene like this also? Bolo. Can, yes or no, you have to tell. Can I write orthoxylene like this also, or this is wrong? Bolo, yes or no? You will say yes, sir. Ortho means what? Adjacent. You have written two groups adjacent, means all are what? Same thing only. Ortho. Adjacent means ortho. Correct. Adjacent, it is not necessary ki sir you will write up only, you will start from here only. I told you this is benzene, you can start from anywhere. So this is also ortho adjacent. So tum batao, what is this now? What is this? Bolo. What is this? You can say this is paraxylene, sir. This is paraxylene. Can you say what is this? You have to tell the name. Compound name I have already told you. So now you tell. But what is this? This one. Paraxylene to done. You tell me about this compound. Let's see how many of you are able to tell. Bolo. So first of all, you have to think like this. Sir, this one to looking like cresol. This one to looking like cresol. Yes or no? This one to looking like cresol. One OH group, one CH3 group, cresol. Acha, how they are connected? Are they adjacent? No. Then no ortho. Are they adjacent? Yes. Leaving one gap? Yes. That means that's the meta. That is the meta. So this you can say metacresol. So it is not necessary it will always start from here. Anywhere you write, relation is correct. Acha, chalo, I will give you a next question. Can you understand? So Benzene, all the positions are same. You can start from anywhere, no problem. Chalo. So I am writing here 2-3 groups: OH, nitro, COOH. Here I am writing cyanide. Here I am writing CHO, and here I am writing chlorine. So how many functional group I have written? Batao. How many types of functional group I have written? How many types of functional group I have written? Batao. You have to tell the relation. This is the final question. This is the final question. 6 functional groups written na? 6 functional group written. So I am numbering also. Suppose this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. ABCD numbering kar de. Otherwise, if I will write 1, 2 na, you will start asking, sir, how written 1, how written 2. So I am writing ABCD. Chalo. A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? You have to tell me relation between different functional group. If I ask you relation between A and D, what will be the relation? Bolo. What is the relation between A and D? You have to tell me in terms of ortho and para, ortho meta para. Chalo, this is the last question. Finally, everyone, wake up. So you will say, they are opposite to each other, para. Okay? Clear? Are you getting it? Chalo, next relation, CE. Tell me the relation between CE. Bolo, 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 CE. You will say, sir, C and E, one gap is there. One gap, meta. Then I will ask you, tell me DE then. Bolo bhai, DE. 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 What is that? So you will say, sir, D and E to adjacent only. Pakana, pakana. So ortho. Adjacent, ortho. Clear? If I ask you BF, relation between B and F. Bola? BF. What will be the relation? That this only I said in the beginning, na? As soon as it will become 10, you will start saying, sir, time. From when we start, we will count time from that time. So this is what? BF is what? BF, one gap. So this is meta. Chalo, no problem. One question from your side. Chalo, you tell me whose relation I should write here. And then I will ask you the answer. One question from your side. I have said AD, CE, DE, BF. One you tell. Which will be common, na? I will give that one only. CF, DA. So CF is one thing. Chalo, CF is one thing which you want. And what? Chalo. And AD भी करते हैं? AD. Chalo. हाँ भाई हो गया. I understand. हाँ, I hold your emotions. But see, but we are learning also, na? Main point is this, कि we are learning also. ठीक है ना? We are studying also. So happily we have to study chemistry. We have to. You can do this joke and all once you know ortho meta para, na? So suppose those who are attending class now, they have just started now, they will think, what they are writing. But we know there are two meanings for everything. Chalo. So let's start. तो जल्दी से बताओ, what is the relation between C and F? C and F. क्या बोला? Sir, this one C, this one F, opposite para. तो AD बताओ, AD also para. चलो, one from my side, final one, AF. One from my side, final one, AF. So now you will never forget ortho meta para. Nah? So AF is A adjacent F ortho. So that's all. So hope you liked the session. Was it good? You were able to understand? Now any problem in ortho meta para? No sir, no sir. Ortho para we have cleared today like this ki it is shining. Shining from far. Okay? Clear. So that's all. Now prepare for your test. Revise these things what we have said. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. QR code I will give. Don't worry. Sharing is caring. Okay? So keep your goal in your mind and study accordingly. Okay? We will do time pass also. We will talk also. But one thing which we should not forget is studies. Question papers are always easy. Nah? Tuk, 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 tuk. Thanks for cooperating. Let's see what happens in the next week. And let's see what will happen in the offline. Okay? Chalo, thanks Amulya. Anything else? Chalo, bye bye, thank you.